Hello everyone, so how to install Among Us app on iPhone. So just go to the App Store app and just search for Among Us. So this is the exact name of the game. So there you have it, that's the game here. You can play with 4 to 10 players as you attempt to prepare your spaceship for departure. As one will be an imposter bent on killing everyone. So there you have it. Just tap cat. It's 160 megabytes. It's a free app, by the way, so you no need to pay. Some people also call it like imposter app. It has pretty cool reviews and it's quite addicting, actually. There you have it, and then you can just open it.